Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix TikTok comments not loading. So let's get started. So first of all, ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. After that, simply restart the TikTok application. You can close the application completely and then reopen it because this simple refresh can often help load the comments properly. After that, you can go ahead and simply open up the App Store. In the search bar, simply search for TikTok. Once you search for it, tap onto it, and if this blue button says update instead of open, tap it update and let your application update to its latest version. If the problem still persists, you can consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the TikTok application. This can help resolve any underlying issues with the app installation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with comments not loading on TikTok. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.